What is WireGuard Road Warrior? Typically refers to a VPN setup where a single client device, such as a laptop, smartphone, or other mobile device, connects to a central WireGuard server. This setup is designed for users who need secure remote access to a network while on the move, much like a road warrior who is constantly traveling and needs reliable access to their home or office network. In this setup, the WireGuard server acts as the central point of access, and the client device, the road warrior, connects to it using the WireGuard protocol. Please check the Part 1 video first to have a better understanding. So the office is still going to be the main WireGuard server, and we are going John PC to connect to the WireGuard server via the WireGuard software on the PC. You can visit the WireGuard website to download the software, which is now available for all operating systems, not just Microsoft and Mac OS. I'm using Windows, so I'll be downloading the installer for it. Now, let's move on to the WireGuard software. If you already have a WireGuard profile, you can import it, but I'll walk you through setting it up from the beginning. Let's open the WireGuard configuration on the Office server and copy the public and private keys. In the WireGuard configuration for the PC, where it specifies the interface public and private keys, we'll copy and paste these into the Office peer configuration. You can automatically input the WireGuard IP and DNS settings into the configuration I provided. For reference, the IP address 10.100.1.2 is assigned to the PC side, while 10.100.1.1 is used for the WireGuard IP on the Office Mikrotik side. This feature may be specified by adding the persistent keepalive equals field to appear in the configuration file, or setting persistent keepalive at the command line. If you don't need this feature, don't enable it. But if you're behind NAT or a firewall and you want to receive incoming connections long after network traffic has gone silent, this option will keep the connection open in the eyes of NAT. For the peer configuration on the PC's WireGuard, we can copy the details from the WireGuard website. Now that you have the peer set up in your WireGuard configuration, you just need to update the peer's public key with the WireGuard interface's public key. Please make sure to include the endpoint information in your WireGuard configuration. This should be the WAN IP address of the Office Mikrotik router and the appropriate port number. We're finished. Now, activate WireGuard and check if you can see the WireGuard IP address, the server's IP range gateway, and the IP address of the server you want to connect to. Finally, open the interface in your browser. If we perform a traceroute to the office server's IP, we should see that it routes through the WireGuard IP. And there you have it, you can now access the office server's IP from anywhere in the world. Make sure that if you can't connect, there isn't a firewall blocking the connection. However, I believe the network engineers will permit WireGuard on the network.